Mo say dia we can see mun sam ebro e won kwantana ne so ye from Eugene Kwame Anna ne sports team ni nyina e bo mi ti dom ne de djuma de no e be som enne anopai e won kwantana ne so me se wa Opimso Radio on Facebook me se okwa ubenya bia hwe no like page no e ma ye na bibia kwaso kama enti me se ko Facebook sisi a e Opimso Radio on Facebook ubenya bia hwe no like page no ama ye Black Adaroma ubenya djumade bia hwe live on Facebook na wa like okwa like page no na share na fa comment no eto ase e ma ye bekinkan ni nyina djumade ne so ene ama na yensensem na se dia ni e ko Ghana Football Association no ase ye enra KGL Foundation and say Oma injected $1 million at the juvenile football and move for the next 5 years. Now, Jumedian National, that is a cat years of Kreku and some do dona at to get Efa a year. Sika, Oma the air barber set a juvenile football in that they say yearly and that's $150,000 plus 100 sets of jerseys. Now, for 100 sets of air bits and the Bema AGF no normally era a year juvenile football no emuna cat years of Kreku e can some way a bra sika samni and no ekoye no okan way e de kire a year etifo.
The foundation are investing a minimum of $200,000 a year over a 5-year tenure, which is $1 million minimum for juvenile football. So we're going to have a yearly cash injection of $150,000. We're going to have 100 sets of jerseys, 100 sets of bibs, and many more into juvenile football for the next 5. At the FA, this is a game changer. I think KGL family have shown enormous support for football, first with the Black Stars, now with juvenile football, and only God knows. And it's as a result of the call by the President of the Republic that corporate Ghana must come on board to support football. And on this occasion, thank you so much, Chairman, for heeding to the clarion call of the President of the land, the #1 supporter of our Black Stars, and not only supporting the Black Stars, who will be in action this weekend, but also the very, very foundation of our Black Stars, juvenile football. We believe that over 5 years, we would produce more Abid Pelis, more Tony Boys, more Ayus, more Michael Asians, more Stephen Appiers, more Asamoahs, through your kind courtesy, through the support we're going to have from KGL Foundation. And I want to call on other corporate bodies who also believe in our tomorrow to invest in our today. This is important. On behalf of the Executive Council, on behalf of everybody in the football ecosystem, on behalf of Mr. Adeka and his family and everybody in juvenile football and coach football, I want to thank you so much for this amazing gesture.
Wait, and someone cat years of Kreku Ghana Football Association President Eddie Tuga, Yadia Hunsam no amount now or say that said Ghana Football Association I invested $100,000 into regional football. Now I know and I'm so I must say no Omaka air clubs no Division 1 any Premier League clubs and say now squad and announce and on season no for 10 youth players. And so, and Shem Nabi Bianco so kama, Emma juvenile football.
Invested $100,000 into regional football in the purchase of footballs. Some of these footballs are being used by our juvenile clubs. Beyond that, we also introduced what we call the Card Them Young refereeing policy, encouraging young boys and girls who have enormous amount of passion for refereeing to go into the act of refereeing. So this year, all the juvenile leagues are being officiated by kids. And this is a proud policy. This is a major policy by our Football Association, investing in kids. Beyond that, we have allowed our coach clubs not to pay referee fees because majority of the people who are into the business of juvenile football are the poorest, excuse me. And we can't be an association who would be overburdening the people who are very much interested. So we scrapped referee fees. We also ensure that the registration cards of the players are provided to them free of charge. These are all major interventions that the FA has rolled out to improve juvenile football in this country. Beyond that, we've made it as a policy that all Premier League clubs, all Division 1 League clubs must own U17 sites in this country. This is a big step for juvenile football. And not only that, Premier League clubs and Division 1 clubs are mandated to register maximum 10 juvenile players in their 14-man squads. for the upcoming. This is massive. So when in the week, my dear senior brother gave us the signal that our dream of hosting the regional leagues, U17, and the national interclub U17 Champions League will be supported by KGF Foundation, I said hallelujah. So your Coast Festival, you call it the Coast Festival, we call it the Interclub U17 Champions League, is back again and is back to stay at least minimum next 5 years.
Wey ayensama cat years okeku GFA president attitude da yade ahun sam no emma enno yade say Black Stars of Ghana ebo ayonko vacancy a omni soccer intellectuals game no eba na say Ghana Black Stars no asem woche a soccer intellectuals and to me anti emuba akokra na Kamaluddin Sulemana Esemienu Fatau Isaku Abdul enso Esemienu Benjamin Tete Mohammed Kudus Yayabua na Joa family omo enya ghost no edema Ghana ya hwe ni musa bibia be konkan na ya dey say 9 am team no twa preparation so na game anyameboa Saturday ya ne Zimbabwe abono enema akonkan ede amatim na no ana coach Milovan Erajavac ade two players ni team say omo nya proud so omo share the national team jersey no obia player bia ya fro no ye proud say players are omo Ghana omo si akan no omo dos yie pa enti se wunya akonya no na wo ba ebesi akan e de ma national team na that's why I'm proud na fe no osaka chomo se omo ba ya bibia na be ya this enkabo mu eba campo enti we de ba ya de ahonsam no ma na Black Stars insensam na and a former GFF vice president it say or management member of the Black Stars management committee Fred Papu and I did two job say yen sama ye keka e social media no ene nsama ye chocho e social media no e ka ho bi ana Ghanaian players a ye wo mo abroche no da bia dodo na e reject some beba be si akan e ama Ghana enti yen hwe nsama ye chocho ene nsama ye keka e social media no e ya ye hwe ni ye na se no e de ba ye de ho nsam no e ma e ojumade no so ye to ansam ne so dia ne ye ko e ye club issues kakana ansana ne yade se enra GF no enso atua sika various clubs no enso enya na omo wini GPL DPL meche Ghana Premier League trophy no has to fall and they say omo tua sika no e de amount $250,000 $2.5 billion and omode Emma has to foka kotoko eto sumienu onu sunya 1.5 billion Ghana million 1.5 billion 1.5 billion akotoko enya na fei team a otoso miensa wafa no enso enya 800 million no ska omo enya na ese MTN Africa Cup ade say winner no enso enya 80,000 Ghana cedis the otoso mienu enya 30,000 Ghana cedis after division 1 omo nyina emetia the oje owini wo division 1 zone 1 zone 2 and zone 3 no omo nyina enya $50,000 enkanetiti skano 500 million and omo enya afa omo toss mienu ewo division ni mu no enso enya 30,000 Ghana cedis Women's Premier League winner no enya 50,000 Ghana cedis runner up no enya 30,000 Ghana cedis na fei omo di 10 the southern and the northern zone no meche emani boboko nim no enso enya 15,000 Ghana cedis ya de ahonsam no ma ojumade nso yankwa club issues kakra na fe ensem kakra wo ho no yemfa entuya Togbe afede the 14th board chairman Edema Accra has to for boboko no de strong warning ama glass na waku se onhwe na ne niema na oya on person ni team no ebe training no so on person ne niema oya na ebe landing in court se team no ede be court dia on sesa na adwen na on samra emesi akan emfa ema has of folk boboko san say obotua sika ede amana player no ewo contract enti niema na oya no ohwe na nkowie no ewo court na se no ede ba ye de ho nsem no ema ojumade so ya de se ena club ya sane ko boboko no ko Dubai omo ko Dubai na pre-season no omo akwakoto aso na bibia koso kama omo na se eno de ba ye de ho nsem no ma na kai se pre-season no omo koye Dubai no 2 weeks and that's 70 on the 22nd of October and akotokobo boko no ebesa adam mani aba Ghana ntia and akotokobo boko no enso kwa anwumere tenasia contingent omo ko ni nyina ye de ho nsem no ebema pramaso na ese no de ba yede ehon nsem no ma na Ebuswadras goalkeeper your friend Razak Isabe Kaya sa goalkeeper no ono the ball free kick share na say Giliga your ball 2021-2022 season no oye nkonya pa ene ye ba ene say 11 wonders bobo no any goalkeeper edi komo adreche ye pa omo hwe ni mu say ombenya no abesi akan ere ama eye 11 wonders bobo na yede ehon nsem no ma ojumade ne so na yenko ha so focus e Kofi Koji ere nsem atugya se no ade say coach Samobuadu amana ye better player no no so who say born or bar confidence any niema or the real game nim no amana ye better player say pa and so eden some to Jana Abdul Ghani Ismail ade say Edra 2 years was signed and now I extending the contract no e dey ama club ya san ko boko na ye dey ahun sem no ma na clubs no gusua friendly matches no omobupobuba na King Pfizer enra about 2 friendly matches I say King Pfizer any Ebony and a boy ya King Pfizer ese no e kan ba ko Ebony Anthony Antibi na second game no King Pfizer any KFC Samosa and a boy game the banner and a King Pfizer boko no as a 9 ama KFC Samosa and so ati e kanemu ba ko a ye de ehun sem no ma ojumede na de ba any some mediama any brekum Chelsea and so as a young fucking Sabia on the ball, none in a pre-season games. A course idea on some no mount Ojumedian. So 2 days more to the end of Ghana. Yen transfer window into Nyamibwa weekend be Saturday midnight. And I say window no close Ghana. Now teams omu players are massing sign on ya the one seminar. And so ebeba ababa tuma nimnese no de ba de ahonsem no ma na yenko resource enra eto dia ne kakawa ma no ne na afei yemfansi na gude and so emeto aso emamu UEFA Nations League no semi-final game ba ko eto dia enra ya de say Italy na afei ema Spain ebetwa ne kan mienu a otimu eba ko na World Cup qualifying games no Africa had no ya de say enra 2 matches ekwo Sudan etina afei any Guinea equity penko bi ase ne yonko e kan baako afi Morocco ete Guinea Bissau etwane e kan enum a ono so Anthony Antibi and na semi-final game UEFA Nations League no baako ba to Belgium and France and na airborne afi World Cup qualifying games no dodo na enso ba to Paraguay and Argentina ebebo Uruguay and Colombia ebebo na afi Venezuela and so and Brazil ebebo oba Africa ha ya dey say qualified games no dodo na enso baswa yenhwe na yemfa ehonsam no entom anim Equatorial Guinea and Zambia ebebo na afi Tunisia and so any Mauritania ebebo ayede ehonsam no ma ojumede ni so Liberia and Cape and so ebebo na afi Nigeria and Central African Republic and so Rwanda and Uganda ebebo Mali and so any Kenya ebebo Dr. Congo and DR Congo any Madagascar ebo and Tanzania and so any Benin ebo ayede ehonsam no ma ojumede ni so nti yede besi na radio hene agudi and so atwa so ede amamo na nyame